question 22. Question 22 is testing students on the topic of periodic table, and we are focusing on the concept of halogen displacement reactions. So what is a halogen displacement reaction? This is a reaction where a more reactive halogen displaces a less reactive halogen from its halide solution. Okay, so with that background information, let's attempt the question. Excess bromine, it is added to a mixture of sodium chloride, NaCl, and sodium iodide solution, NaI. Okay, so we have bromine that is being added into a solution, into a mixture that contains chloride ion from sodium chloride and iodide ion from sodium iodide solution. Okay, going down group 7, reactivity decreases. So out of the three, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, chlorine is most reactive. So this means, right, bromine being less reactive than chlorine does not displace chlorine from sodium chloride. Okay, so there will be sodium chloride present in your final solution because it cannot, chlorine is not displaced from chloride. Okay, so this will be present in final solution. Okay, so with that, between bromine and iodine, Br and iodine, right? Bromine and iodine, bromine is more reactive than iodine, correct? So bromine, being a more reactive halogen, will displace iodine from sodium iodide, forming iodine and sodium bromide. Okay, so we will have iodine in the final solution, sodium bromide and sodium chloride. But then there's one specific keyword that you guys need to focus on, excess bromine, meaning that bromine, the unreacted bromine, right? The excess unreacted bromine will also be present in your final solution. So there are 4 substances in your final solution: sodium chloride, sodium bromide, okay, bromine, excess bromine that's unreacted, and iodine that is formed during displacement. So your answer is C. Okay,